Deep within the woods of Alabama lies the ghostly site of Sloss Furnaces, once a booming iron-producing plant, now shrouded in eerie legends. In the early 20th century, this industrial giant was the heartbeat of Birmingham's economy, but it also claimed the lives of many workers in tragic accidents and fires. Locals whisper of ghostly apparitions, the sound of clanging metal at night, and shadowy figures seen lurking among the abandoned furnaces. Workers and visitors have reported disembodied voices and cold spots, and some believe restless spirits still haunt the decaying site, seeking justice for their untimely deaths. Could the echoes of industrial tragedy be the reason these spirits linger, forever trapped in the echoes of their last moments? Would you dare to explore the haunted remnants of Sloss Furnaces and confront the spirits of Birmingham's haunted past?